Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning. I made our matcha latte this morning. I'm starting my day with matcha these days, but I also do drink coffee in the day, so it's not that I love coffee, because I cannot. I just love it. And Aiden is eating croissant right now. Mayank is also drinking coffee, and I gave him a croissant. It's a very cold morning. It's raining outside. It's supposed to rain for like 3-4 days continuous. So yeah. And Marvel, baby, get out of here. You got you got a pizza? Okay. And then we did get some furniture delivered. A lot of stuff got delivered. So what, baby?
Baking in the oven.
Okay.
No, we don't have to wait.
I'll have to wait. Okay. So once I'm done with my coffee, and once I'm done with my matcha, I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the day and show you guys what all we got until now. And just spend the day with us. So we have, the last time I showed you, we were putting up curtains. We have put up curtains in the living room and in the dining area, and all the links for everything, I'm gonna do a separate video where I'm gonna go in detail and explain you, but right now I'm just gonna show you. And then we also received our dining table with chairs and a bench. The whole set is from Castlery. We have 4 chairs, the dining table, and this bench, and it's an extendable table, so it's 74 yummy. It's 74 by 40 right now, and it becomes 84 by 40. So that's amazing. And then we also got our delivery for our buffet cabinets there, and this one. This is how it looks. We got the same one to match both sides, and I am still putting up my crockeries in there. Our frame TV is also delivered here that we put up, and our couch. But let me show you the couch. The couch is beautiful, but I just have the blanket right now because we are teaching Marvel not to sit on the couch, because he used to sit on the previous house on the couch, but we don't want him sitting on this couch. So ta-da! But we only have one piece of the living room right now. This is the back. This is how it looks from the back. It's a very heavy, sturdy, beautiful, comfortable couch. And we only have one piece. Another piece is coming this week on 15th, and the rest of the living room furniture I think will get delivered in March or something. We don't have an exact date yet for that. And then we already had these chairs, you guys know. So I think downstairs this is what we got. Oh yeah, let me also show you this. We also did this area with the mirror and all of these stuff. I'm gonna show you this area. I'm gonna show you this area after some time because Mayank's office is right there and he's working. He's in a meeting. So, but anyways, this is what we did with the area. We have like a very traditional, beautiful golden mirror. And then we wanted to keep it simple. This is the Buddha that my mom gave me, so I always have it with me. And facing the door, facing the front door brings you good luck. So that's always where it is pointing at. And then we have two of these here, which is amazing because you can open them and then you have home slippers for any guests coming over. They can just take the slippers from here and there. And then another best thing in our house, I want to say this is the most beautiful thing that my mom would have loved in this house, is this green area that we made. Look at that. This is a mix of real and fake flowers. So it's like, let me show you, let me give you a better look. So this is how it looks. This was a blank spot here, so you can put decoration or whatever, but we decided to go with this theme, and it's like all the green falling. And then we put up some butterflies here, and then when you turn around you still have some more of these things here, and then some real plants. But only one thing is missing, that is a small waterfall thingy that Mayank wants to put here. And then look at this. This is real plant, this is real plant. So it's a very good, beautiful mix, and I absolutely love it. And it's all Mayank. I did not do anything in here. Everything, this whole thing is done by Mayank. So, and I absolutely love it. Here is going to be our temple, which is also getting delivered this week. But look at this. This is how it looks from here. Absolutely love it. And then we also got our media room couch delivered. There it is. This is temporary. We haven't found the one that we like to go here. So that is that. And then we got this also delivered. Our bar is set up, fridge, wall clock is up. So this is pretty much done. And then let's go here. In our bedroom, only the dresser is delivered. The nightstands are gonna come this month. So this is the dresser that has got delivered. I'm still arranging it, it's not done yet. And then I finished Aiden's room, which in my opinion is looking amazing. Look at that. I did that wall for him. And then we still have to put up his curtain, but I think it's looking beautiful. And then I also almost finished my office like that. That's like a cozy corner. I just have to put up those pictures up, and I still have some other frames that I need to put up. But like this, there's my mom always with me. And yeah, so the buffet cabinets got delivered yesterday. So all the yesterday I was just making them, and we also did put up some crockeries, but I'm gonna finish putting crockeries right now. Where are you, Aiden? Aiden?
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So this was a set that we got gifted from one of our friends for our housewarming. So we finally opened it because finally my buffet cabinets got delivered, and I am putting up everything in here slowly. So this is another gift that was given from Nitish and Ashley. So I have we had the perfect space in our mind, so I'm just gonna put it right here now.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I got this face cooling pack, like a mask thingy, which has beads, and you just keep it in the freezer and then you just wear it in your face like this, because I love it, because sometimes I have swelling and all that stuff, so it just calms it down and it helps with the blood circulation. So I just absolutely love doing cold face mask. I had this small ice maker here in my bathroom before in the previous house, so I used to do face dips every morning, and I just love that. I wish I could still do that, because I don't have freezer here. I don't want to every day, I don't want to go down and then up and down in the morning, so I decided to go with this. And then it does the work, but it's just so cold that you cannot like wear it. That's why I'm just putting it in my face. But I think I need to start doing the cold dips again, because that's just so good. And now I'm gonna do my skincare and then go down and prepare for lunch. I'm done with my bath. Oh, this feels so good.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Got you yet?
Okay, here. Hand.
I'm eating like a doctor. I'm eating.
Let me fix your hair, look up. Let me tie your hair nicely and put on the cap, so that you become a full doctor and then you can help mommy.
This is much better.
Yeah, turn around so I can put on.
There's a hole here.
Yeah, you have to put that in your head. Let me tie your hair and then you can put it on your head.
With my hat.
Okay, this is your shirt. Does it have any buttons? Yes, it does have a button.
On a hat. Hello. I'm a doctor.
Hi, doctor.
Can
Can you help me?
Baby, first boo boo. First.
I got a boo-boo here, doctor.
Don't worry, I'm boo boo fixer here. I have boo boo fixer.
Okay.
Open boo boo
Can
fixer.
I take a picture?
Yes. Here.
Look at mommy. Wow.
I'm a doctor.
Yeah, look at mommy. Smile. Look at mommy. Wow. Okay. Now can you help me? Can boo boo? Oh, I got such a big boo boo here.
Okay. I'm opening the boo boo fixer first. Open the lid and keep it inside. Marble.
Normal.
I open mommy.
Yeah, Aiden is helping me. Come, sit.
From here.
Oh, thank you.
All the way. First, is the check your right first.
Okay. Where's the ear thingy?
Here.
Yeah.
Can I put it on?
Yeah, just put it on. When you put it here, just leave it here like this. Yeah. And check. Check here.
Wait. It came out.
Yeah. Okay.
Check.
I got it. I'm holding this. You check me here. Can you check my heart? Yeah. Oh, thank you. All good?
Not yet.
Can I get the medicine?
Not yet. Put these right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna take out all my stuff out. I took all my stuff out. I'm trying to find something good.
Oh, you're gonna give me an injection?
I have more medicine here.
Can I eat it? Can you check my temperature?
First, you put your hand here.
Okay.
And I can spread it this. I'm a doctor.
Yes, you are a doctor.
All done.
Done? Am
Yeah.
I okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't fall down again.
Okay, I won't fall down again. Can you check my temperature? Yeah. Checking my forehead here. Is it I'm okay?
Ah.
Watermelon juice, because the watermelon that I got, it says seedless, but it had a lot of seed and Irene doesn't like it. I don't eat like so much of seed. I cannot. So I just made it juice. I'm gonna strain it so all the seeds come out, and then we're gonna have a nice delicious juice.
I'm so silly.
I'm silly? How am I silly? Some ice and watermelon. So good. My meal is ready. I have 2 hot dog, eggs, 2 eggs, and a piece of homemade sourdough. I try to start my day nowadays with high protein. So that's what I'm going for, and some watermelon juice. Irene is eating 2 hot dog and a piece of sourdough bread. And Mayank is eating, he doesn't eat hot dogs, so he's eating avocado toast. I love it. It's 7:15 right now, and I absolutely forgot to continue shooting. But basically, I did not do anything too much. I was just trying to empty the guest room, empty the boxes here and there, and yeah, and Mayank cooked dinner. So he made cabbage with green peas, a sabji, which looked delicious. I've never eaten just cabbage and green peas, and then this delicious dal over here, and some rice. So that's what we are gonna go do dinner right now. And I think that was it for today. I hope you guys like all the stuff that we got, and then I will, like I said, we'll do a separate vlog some other time where we will share everything in detail from where we got. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.